Let's see prose. That Sunday morning. The author of this lesson is Savita Singh. She is an Indian writer. She has written many short stories and poems. In this lesson, she has narrated the funny incident that had happened when she was young. Savita's father was posted in Patna. On the first Sunday, she and her brother decided to go cycling in the morning. As it was very early in the morning, only a few people were on the roads. The roads with the trees lining them were good and shady. There were no grand buildings or monuments as in Delhi. After cycling for about half an hour, her brother got bored and challenged his sister for a cycle race. And the loser should treat the other with a chocolate. Savita agreed and they were off for the race. That was not the first time they had raced. Usually a brother would win and boast about it for days. Savita Singh was determined to win this race. She pedaled as fast as she could. That either side of the road looked blurred and her lungs were bursting for air. Soon she drew level with her brother and then gradually she moved ahead. She was so happy, but unfortunately there stood a cow in the middle of the road. She applied brakes suddenly but was thrown off the cycle. She landed onto the back of the cow. The cow startled and started running out of fear. She clung to its back tightly. As they turned, 2 rows of cavalry officers came on their horses towards them. They belonged to the governor's bodyguard. This frightened cow charged straight at the horses. The horses panicked and scattered. The cow managed to fall into the ditch, and she landed on the soft earth bordering the ditch. Savita sat up with pain. The cavalry horses were still out of control. 2 horses were not seen anywhere, and another horse threw its rider right in front of the narrator's eyes. The rider landed in the ditch just next to the cow. The cow thought it was another attack and lowered its head at the unlucky man. The poor man climbed hurriedly out of the ditch, tearing his pants at an awkward place. Realizing its pants being torn, he sat on the road with a thump. Her brother approached her and commented that she looked such a sight on top of that cow. He started laughing and asked her whether she was all right. She did not want to admit to her brother that she was frightened. So she arrogantly told him that she was all right. Just then, her brother saw one of the horse riders coming towards them with a threatening look. And there was also a man to whom the cow belonged coming behind him. Both got into the cycles and moved away fast, as they did not want to add another unpleasant episode to the morning event. Hope you all have enjoyed the incident narrated by Savita Singh in this lesson. Thank you.